didn't see there. Today we're gonna be making shaved ice with my electro ice.
Shaved ice machine. You're gonna do your ice mold.
I'm gonna put it in whatever it's called. Then place the thing that like shaves the ice into it. It's already plugged up, and then we're supposed to push this red thing gently for it to like
Create the ice.
with this.
You wanna try?
It's still a block.
If you want to pour something here, if it gets too full.
So much. Okay, only a little left. Only like this much left.
Okay. So that's what's left. Ma'am.
It's actually not bad. So now we're gonna open the box that's sold separately. This had like all the juice and stuff. Yeah. It comes with snow cones, spoon straws, and then this, they gave me grape.
It just came in those three flavors.
Well, this is the stuff I was talking about. You know, the stuff to make it taste good and colorful. What is that?
This is a bottle pour, so to help you get it from here into the cup without making a mess.
So now we're gonna get our snow cone cup. We didn't even need the scissors. When you got a strong like me, we don't need none. I'm a survivor, I ain't gonna give up.
Cherry, blue raspberry.
Yeah, those two taste so good.
Your cup. If you want to get a spoon.
Still paper.
You want some more?
This is bussin', yo.
Can I taste it?
This spoon.
Okay.
Too much.
Want to make your brother one? He can have the rest.
Okay. Bustin'.
A lot of unhealthy ingredients, but
Wah wah.
artificially flavored. Artificially means not real.
This is real. That was good. One word. Bussin'! Cinnamon also enjoyed it.
Cinnamon? It's actually really good.
Now you get a better, free, easy to make, and fast slushie. And it's super good.
That was really good.
Yeah.
Better than 7-Eleven slushy.
Totally.
Seems like the experience was a 10 out of 10.
Okay, great.
Mm.
No